Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye and attractive collection of haircut. So beautiful and very stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyle: fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and many much more beautiful collection of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and many much more latest and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. Your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection. New ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.